We're doing it.
I'm going to hand the wheel to you, and then I'm going to put these guys away.
Okay.
So you'll steer in a minute.
Let me go up there and come back. We're doing it, man. Whew, that wasn't here. It's new.
No, it's originally the boat.
Yeah.
Old.
Was it in the garage or somewhere?
Sometimes we don't use it.
Oh, this is Marina. I don't know why I hate motorboats. You know, the big ones. Something
It's like driving your condo.
driving your house.
Yeah, basically.
I like sailing my house.
Yeah.
I'm like, what happens if you're out of gas? You
I
know?
like my little motor, my little power boat,
Uh huh.
because you do a lot of things with it. You can get there just as faster than these big boats.
Yeah, but for how long? You know,
I mean, it's just to get there. You don't live on it.
Well, it's like a car. It's like a little car. on
It's
water.
like a car. You don't live in your car.
Yeah.
You use your car to get somewhere. You take your car to go camping. That's what I use the power boat for.
Catalina.
Yeah, the little private camp spots.
So, there's one thing I forgot. I forgot to buy cigars. Oh, also, what I wanted to ask is like basically there's not much rules in steering. So I'm following this one.